Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you have it, if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you will need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually opened or download it, you'll need to open it up and then they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have an account, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't, you will have to go and click at sign up. They will have three options to create your account. They all have the Facebook account, the Facebook option, the Google option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you and create your account. So once you're logged in into your account or even created your account, you normally will find yourself here in this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here, as we said, we would like to unsubscribe to Strava application. So for me, I didn't even subscribe yet. So of course, you can just hit the subscribe and start your free trial if you want. And of course, keep going with them. But if you are subscribed and you want to unsubscribe, simply you will have to go to you here at the bottom right corner. And once you are here, you would like to go to this profile or settings at the top right corner. Now, you would like to go to this account option, then current subscription. Click on it, and this normally should not appear for you if you are subscribed. For you, you will have your subscription plan here and a cancel option down below. Of course, if you click on it, they'll ask you to submit your option and they will even ask you why you would like to cancel your subscription. Choose whatever you want. I don't know why the app is not responding, but whatever. So choose whatever you want and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.